In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify authentication code. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard in your browser. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon next to your store name. Click on that area to open a small drop-down menu. In that menu, select your account. It's usually listed near the top of the drop-down, just above the option to log out. This will take you to your general account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different sections. Look for the section labeled Security and click on it. This is where all of your login and protection options are managed. On the security page, scroll down until you find the section called Two-Step Authentication. This is sometimes also referred to as two-factor authentication or 2FA. If you don't have it enabled yet and you want that extra layer of protection, this is the place to turn it on. Shopify will prompt you to use an authenticator app. Some commonly used apps are Google Authenticator, Authy, and Microsoft Authenticator, but you can use any compatible authenticator you prefer. Install one of these apps on your phone if you don't already have it. Then follow the instructions Shopify gives you, which usually involve scanning a QR code or entering a setup key into the authenticator app. Once two-step authentication is enabled, here's how it works when you log in. After you enter your Shopify email and password, Shopify will ask for a verification code. At that point, open your Authenticator app on your phone. You'll see an entry for Shopify, often with the email you use for your account shown next to it. Right beside that, you'll see a 6-digit code. This is your Shopify authentication code. The important thing to remember is that this code refreshes every 30 seconds, so you need to type it into Shopify before it changes. If you only need a temporary login code, for example, to sign in on another device just once, scroll down to the same authentication methods area and look for the option that says Get a temporary login code at the bottom of the card. Click that. A pop-up will appear explaining that a temporary login code is a single-use code for logging in on another device and that it expires 15 minutes after it's generated. Click Generate Code at the bottom right of that pop-up. Wait for the page to refresh, and you'll see your temporary login code displayed, along with the exact time it will expire. Use that code before the expiry time, and remember that once it's used or expired, you'll need to generate a new one if you need another temporary login.